Hey everyone, welcome back to HiScript. In today's video, we are answering a common question in machine learning. Which algorithm works best for small datasets? Logistic regression? Is it a perfecto machine? Is it random forest? Let's break it down. First up, logistic regression is simple, fast, and does not need tons of data to give decent results. With small datasets, its main advantage is interpretability, meaning you can easily understand the coefficients and relationship between features. But it's so good when the data isn't linearly separable or when there are too many complex patterns. Next, support vector machine. Support vector machines are powerful because they find the best boundary between classes. With the right kernel, they handle non-linear data really well, even if the dataset is small. However, they can be sensitive to hyperparameters and scaling, so they may require a bit more tuning compared to logistic regression. And finally, random forest. This is an ensemble method made of multiple decision trees. It is great at capturing complex relationships, and it usually performs well even if your dataset is not huge. The trade-off is that it can overfit when data is very small, and it is harder to interpret compared to logistic regression. So, which one wins? If you need something fast, interpretable, go with logistic regression. If you want power with nonlinear data, SVM is often the best choice. And if you care about accuracy and don't mind a black box model, random forest is a solid option. The real answer depends on your dataset and problem. So try all the three and compare performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more ML tutorials. See you in the next one.